Hello everyone, we are now here gathering for the airplane. This is the first airplane. Ooh, 14. Wait, J14? 114? Oh shit. I already know where the hell is it.
Steve, maligo na ba? Ang balang bawa.
Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 3903. We are currently flying altitude 36. Oh, yeah, my friend Andrea is still playing with me. There, just say.
Hello, ano nangyari? Oh.
See? Oh my god, why did you even send that to me? Feel free to explore the plane. Feel free to explore the plane.
I don't want to.
Come on, just explore.
Ay, ayos. Yun na naman. Dali.
Come on, feel free to explore. Now please find your seat as we are about to cross. Hey Andrea, you should come now. Come here.
Ano ni?
There. Oh. Hurry up, bestie.
Bakit?
You are always with me. Oh my goodness. Natakot ako dun. Guys, is it okay to, say Tagalog? Follow in the comments. Tell in the comments if you're okay to if are you okay if I say Tagalog? Because
Comment if you like Filipinos.
That's correct. Cause yeah, Andrea is my cousin. My cousin is playing with it. My the name of my cousin is Alexa. Alexa Basta. It's just Alexa, so whatever. She is okay, right, Alexa?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, she is good.
Akala ko ba sabi mo text mo?
I'm saying.
I'm not feeling very well. Hey, yo! I am not even eating my sandwich! I'm not allergic! But in real life, I don't.
You're allergic to shrimp.
Yeah, I'm allergic to shrimp. Yeah, I'm allergic to shrimp, guys. Don't think about what I just said. Where's the hell is my
Is
package?
that one?
No, that was not mine. Guys, you have to hurry up.
I think it's on.
You have to find mine.
Fine.
Yes. Finally, I found it. Thank you. Phew. Even though oh god, there's shrimp. There's shrimp. Phew, that was a close one. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we have reached an unstable attitude. It would be good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the freaking ride. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Oh no! It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Yes.
I'm still sitting.
Guys, look, what is that on the right wing?
I'm here.
Which one is right? Oh my god.
Is that the right one?
Guy, Alexa, you should jump into here, okay? Because it will have snakes later. Get in there! Get in there! Are those snakes? Oh my god, we're surrounded by snakes. Hey. And then, guys, there's an open restroom. You have to run. Remember. We're at the wrong spot. Let's try that again. Okay, we're now starting it again. Sorry. Okay. Oh, you are far away from me. I am literally at the last still. I'm still at the last part. I love it. Bruh! Alexa, here! Where I am. That's where your seat is. It's really far away from you. I can't even read this so far.
Who says Umoa?
Oh, that means at a different country. I really like people that who has a different country, so can I just add friends? Because I love add friendsing. Let's do add friend. Yay! Someone's already my friend. I have 2 friends now.
What's
So just go with just Kate. Yeah. Oh, see? I told you. She is your second, and I am literally has so many friends. I can't even count. It looks like
we're already in our seat.
at our 137 friends, I think. 3, 2, 1, 0. OMG!
Looks like there's a microphone.
Oh, Jazz Kate died. Aw, sana all nasa A. Yep, I'm in the last part. I love opening stuff. This is where the restroom is.
Where?
Here!
Oh, that was close.
Jesus Christ, Sarah, you're so stupid.
Sorry.
Sorry. But I'll eat my sandwich. Hey, I want that. There's chicheria. That means junk food for Philippines.
I'm not feeling very good. Finally!
I already found yours, seriously.
Oh no, someone needs
Hey, there's mine. I already found yours. Jesus Christ, I found it right here. Sheesh, right this part. Sheesh, Jesus Christ. Phew, that was close. Maybe friends. We can maybe friends. It's that Fred Carol, no?
I don't know that.
Yeah, another
Oh,
new.
wait,
I'm not going to sit. So, Alexa, we should go this way. So, I am not going to go to my seat. I'm so scared. Later, the snakes will come in. I knew it. There goes nothing. Oh no, I saw it. Look at that.
Oh my god!
I can see the fudging monster. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? You know that I know already.
Anisha, what are you doing? Go eat.
You will not. Are those snakes? Oh my god, they're really at the other end.
Where are they, by the way? Oh.
Oh, one had come to me.
Why? They're not coming to you.
No, one of the snakes are literally next to you.
Yeah,
Right there. Snake is right there. I can see it. There should be. Oh. Guys, there's an open restroom. This one. I found it. I mean, Alexa. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh my god. Is this a public restroom? Can I sit here?
a lavatory. This is why the dad is so funny.
I know. There's a big.
It's a weird thing.
Okay, not
Only 4?
not all the people survive, I guess. That's Alfredo. We're not going to explain this. We're not even explaining. You're not even here. We're back. But there's only the 4 of us. Power is back out. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Yeah, thanks to God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. True. Attention passengers, I have good news and bad news. The good news is the power is back up. Yeah. What's the bad news? The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen will drop over your seats. Ugh. See, we both survived. No, there one of them. Yep. No, only the 2 of us are only alive.
Rosie.
What is this?
Mommy, let's take it.
It looks like a bomb! Oh no! What are we going to do? I get it. Okay, everyone, what the hell? Calm down! I have to find something. I better be quick. Ah! I found a pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut? Blue? I'll cut the blue cable. Stay away from you. She didn't make it. I'm sorry. Can't believe it. I'm not the only one. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look at them and check everything is okay. I can do this by myself. It's locked. Something is happening. The captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. Find it, mate. Hurry up. I know the code. It's right there. It's in my hand. As he said. $3,290. It's the creature. You will pay for what you've done. What? You think you are here on accident, Payan. I brought you here all day. Brothers, no one here. I'm the only one. That is not possible. It's end. What's going on? Cap! the button. The mask doesn't even fit on me. We did it. We saved the plane. Handicap. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. I guess this is the end. Now all we need to do is to find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Where the fuck is it? Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we've traced your location. We are taking control. There is one last task for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Find someone to sit on co-pilot aside the captain. Me, because I'm the only one here. Okay, everyone, I got this. Oh no, it is back! How are you still alive, Luna? Phil, 1909. I killed all your friends of your friends. But you, there is something about. Your energy does not let me kill you. Yes, that's it. I'm not going anywhere with you, monster. I'm the chosen. Wow, chosen. Talaga. I will come back for you. I can't believe I was the only survivor. I'm actually the only survivor since my whole life. Yay! Victory! Woohoo! That was fun! Glad I survived! Bye everyone!